Hello everyone, so today we are going to draw on a very easy and beautiful drawing, but without outline. Okay, so if you want, you can do it. Okay, it's totally your wish. So I'm just going to take the first black color. Okay, I'm just taking the black color. I'm just doing a small lining like this. Okay, over here, and see how I'm just doing. Slowly, just I'm doing the linings. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to take the cobalt blue. Okay, cobalt blue, now I'm going to do the light blue. Okay, and now after this I'm just going to take the gray color. Okay, gray, and from here I'm just doing the gray blending. Okay, with black I'm just blending with the gray. Do one thing, do some more dots with the black color, so it will look like na. Just I'm doing the black color. Okay, sorry, gray color blending. Okay, I'm just blending with the gray color. So anyhow, just you have to do the gray color blending. Just from here, black I'm just doing. Just see, just small lining dot, so that it look like rocks. Okay, it's very easy. It's a we are doing like waterfall. Okay, waterfall. See here I'm just blending with the gray color, and see slowly from up, from top to bottom, just you have to blend it. Okay, slowly. If you want, you can use your finger or cotton bud or whatever you want, you can use. So I'm just here also I'm using the gray color, and over here also some gray linings. Okay, gray linings, and then I'm just going to take the white color. Okay, white, and before taking the white I'm just going to clean it. Okay, and then from here top just doing the white color like this, and over here in a straight way. Now see here I'm going to do some rocks so that it look good with a black color. Okay, and I will blend it with the gray color. Okay, and then I will take the cobalt blue, and over here I'm just going to do the cobalt blue like this. Okay, very simple. Again I'm just going to do the cobalt blue like this. Okay, like this, and then little bit I'm going to do the gray color, and I'm going to blend it with the finger. Okay, properly finger, just blending it with the finger. And now I'm going to take the white color and some cobalt blue dots, small dots. Okay, it's a waterfall na, that's why. Okay, so now I'm just here little bit grayish. Okay, grayish, and then I'm just going to take again the black color from the bottom. Acha, here see, black, just from here small lining I'm just doing, and with the gray color what you have to do, just from here na, just curve lining, okay, curve lining, just doing the curve lining, and from here try to do the lining, okay, slowly, just slowly, just you have to do the lining over here, okay, and then try to blend it with the white color, okay, white, just try to blend it with the white color, and over here also do the white color, slowly, okay, it's falling from top, okay, like that. And little bit I'm just going to take the cobalt blue, and with the curve lining I'm just doing, okay, slowly, okay, then with the finger or cotton bud, whatever, but with the curve process only you have to do it, okay. Here I'm just going to draw one rock, okay, then with the cobalt blue I'm just doing rock over here, okay, two rocks I have done, and see it's looking like waterfall now. So now here I'm just going to do the black color, now with the gray color I'm using the dark gray, okay, just making the mountain type, sorry, rock, small rock, and then with the cobalt blue, okay, cobalt blue, then again I'm just doing the rock type, okay, and then just going to take the cobalt blue and then a straight way, okay, straight way linings, and then just take the black color, do the black color over here also, and over here also, okay, dots or some black you can do it over here, okay, and then after that I'm just going to take the sap green, okay, just I'm doing the sap green linings, just sap green over here, and see it's very simple drawing. So see, if you just concentrate you will able to do it very easily, okay, it's very simple. See here I'm just going to do more black shade over here, okay, I'm going to blend it with the finger like this, okay, and then the sap green dots, just blending it like this, sap green dots I'm just doing, okay, see here a little bit, over here a little bit, so means wherever you want just do some dot, then just blend it like this, okay, it's very simple, just try to blend it, okay, slowly just blend it, here also I'm just going to blend it, then from here just do the sap green dots, okay, I'm just doing the sap green dots, and from bottom also I'm just doing the sap green dots, okay, it's very simple. I'm just doing the saccharine dots. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the olive green. Okay, olive green. Olive green, and over here also I'm just doing the olive green dots. Slowly just doing the olive green, and over here also I'm just doing the olive green. It's very simple, right? See, here I'm just going to take the black color, going to blend it first. Okay, then I'm going to take the sap green, here at bottom I'm just using the again sap green. It's a dot process I'm just doing. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so here I'm going to take the yellow green and blending with the finger, then again yellow green dots. So I'm just doing the yellow green dots. Okay, it's very simple. So now I'm going to, if you whatever pencil you have, can do with pencil. Okay, so I'm just doing with the pencil. So whatever pencil you have, normal pencil, just try to do with that. Okay, because you have to do very thin lining, or else you can use a glass marker also. It's your wish, totally your wish. See, just from here, now see, here also I'm just doing the black color. It's very simple. Okay, okay. So with the pencil just I'm doing the linings. Okay, and over here also I'm just going to do the see, it's very simple. So wherever you want, just you have to draw the linings. Okay, and I'm just doing very thin lining. Okay, very thin lining. It's very simple. So whatever pencil you want, you can do it. Okay, no problem. So here I'm just going to increase the branches. Okay, so now your waterfall, here I'm just going to do a bit curve lining like this. Okay, from bottom, so some place it will look darker. Okay, just for that reason. And here's some linings I'm just doing. It's very simple. So here I can draw one bird also sitting in the top. Small bird. Okay, very small, because see it's so big drawing. It's no, so birds should be small enough, and it can be easily understood that it's a bird. Like that you have to draw. Okay, it's very simple. Some birds I'm just going to draw it over here. It's the flying in the sky. Okay, so your now drawing is ready. Okay, now your drawing is ready. Thank you.